I make hits, not the public. I tell the DJs what to play. Understand? I make hits, not the public. I tell the DJs what to play. Understand?
Bar, black sheep, rockstar, rap G, making up those to own a black card, that's me. I've been getting real fucking friendly with the banks, man, and I don't mean Phil Carlton, Hillary, or Ashley. Perhaps see me up in the vicinity and flash me. I'm the definition of definitive and catchy. The only thing that's bigger, quicker, slicker, more black and more up on London is a taxi. Bitch, I'm so sick, I need a motherfucking vaccine. Pinky ring shine like some motherfucking Vaseline. Center of attention like a bang and a Lawson. HDB, vision for a flat screen. The only ever time I've seen you niggas on kiss is like 2 a.m. or when you go to pucker up. Look, 60 and 4, baby, need to buckle up. All my women so zoo, all my women so not.